Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a Google account onto your SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin. So, first, we simply must enter something that requires a Google account. I'm going to use the Play Store, because as you can see, I am not logged in, though alternatively you could enter your settings. You could scroll down into password, passkeys and accounts, and we can go into add account and then Google. It doesn't really matter how you're going to do it. Now we must verify that it's indeed we that want to enable and add a new account. So I will just input my current lock screen password. And after some moments we should be able to input our Gmail credentials, like that. So I will do it right now. And by the way, as a little fun fact, you don't really have to add every single time that gmail.com, because it's just not necessary. If the first half of your Gmail checks out, you can just go into next and you should be able to enter your password. It's a nice and niche little life hack, but I think it does speed up the process just a little bit. Now after a moment, we should be able to input our password. And after you have done that, you can simply go and press next. And after this loads, we can choose who will be using this device, either we or our child. And in other words, this is basically a question whether or not you want to set up parental controls or not. So if you don't trust your child, or your bad parent, so your child is way too addicted to your phone, you probably want to set this, and then you want to continue with setting up parental controls. But we have full tutorial just for this, so I'm not going to really go into that, and mostly I will be using this device anyway. So let's go into next. And after a moment we have to agree to terms of service, play terms of service and privacy policy. So let's go into I agree. I believe that we should now, enable Google services, never mind. We have our Google account now. And you will notice that, for example, we can now go into YouTube and we should be automatically logged in into our account. Unfortunately, we have to manually go into Play Store, for example, and we should see a nice get started. So let's skip the bloatware, let's use our password, and we can also input the password and we can basically use our Google account however we like. So anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!